Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the past in rhythms bold.
Did you know that Ikoro in the Igbo traditional society was seen as an ultimate broadcaster, emergency alarm, and spiritual heartbeat for the traditional community? You are welcome back to Igbo Tradition, My Heritage. And today I will be discussing about a monumental work of acts in Igbo tradition called Ikoro. If you like what I'm doing here and you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, use the comment section to share your thoughts and share my videos. Thank you. Ikoro. Ikoro was a monumental work of acts and engineering carved out from big trunk of a sacred hard wood, usually Ikoro tree. The long slit at the middle of the log, hollowing out inside through the slit, made a massive sound. Will I call it massive sound chamber? In the pre-colonial Igbo society, Ikoro was not played for entertainment. It was a mass communication for the community. It was played during important events in the community. For instance, when a high-ranked titled man or woman passed on, Ikoro was played to announce the passing on of such man or woman. When there was invasion in the community, animal threats or fire outbreak, Ikoro was played to alert the community and summon the warriors to be armed and gather. Also, Ikoro was played during important celebrations like return of warriors from war when they returned victoriously, and during important festivals, Ikoro was played. Ikoro held an immense and political weight. Only a strong, unified, and prosperous town had the resources to consecrate and carve an Ikoro. According to oral history, Ikoro was seen as a town's collective strength, effort, pride, and sovereignty. No wonder it was said that when an Ikoro was destroyed or captured during the war or during a war, what it meant was that the community or town had been defeated and humiliated. For an Ikoro to be played for the very first time, there was a serious rituals and consecration which cemented it to be a protector and the voice of the people. Ikoro was not just an ordinary piece of art or monumental work of art. It was more than that. Now, was it a pan-Igbo tradition? No. But was it known all over the Igbo land? Yes. The pre-Igbo colonial era was a decentralized and sovereign communities that had their own way of doing things or sending out information to the community, some through Ekwe, some through Ogene, different ways. But Ikoro was popular amongst some Igbo towns or communities like Ohofia, Bende, Abreba, Arochukwu. Why? Because these towns or those towns had military might. They had warriors. And majorly what they used in summoning their warriors and also celebrating their victory in war was through Ikoro, playing of Ikoro. So Ikoro was common with those communities, or should I say town. Not that some communities in northern Igbo, like Omambala, some areas that they did not have such, which they called Ikolo or Ukolo in Omambala dialects. But majorly it was popular amongst Abreba people, Arochukwu, Ohofia, bend that had that military might into warriors. There's this popular Ohofia war dance, Abreba, the war dance. So during the pre-colonial era, they were into war and all that. So Ikoro was popular among such towns and Igbo communities. This is where I'll be stopping on today's topic, Ikoro. To see you in my next video where I will be discussing about another interesting Igbo tradition on Igbo tradition, my heritage. Igbo amaka, ndewo.
Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Draw